I guess he thought that this was going to be a storage only thing.
So we need to find a new place to live?
You're talking to me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Fun, okay.
Here's Delilah finding out she is homeless.
Here. That sucks.
We're going away. Get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, I cannot go wrong.
Look, there's a pigeon on the boat. For real, there's a pigeon on the boat.
It's a dove.
Like a glorified pigeon.
You over here, glorified pigeon.
Doves are just elitist pigeons. Like, oh, it's so pretty. Oh, look at that trashy pigeon. It's all dirty. Do you ever think we were gonna live in a home with carpet on the ceiling?
Carpeted ceilings.
It's the best kind. So last weekend you missed a lot because of the weekend that we did the solar and the snowstorm happened and it was like a huge disaster. We got like almost nothing done. Basically last weekend we were so serious about getting everything done that we legitimately did not film at all. Things that you missed are we finished the flooring.
Just talk to the camera, man.
We finished the flooring. We started painting. This is just primer. So they're not gonna be white and they're not gonna be this of a color. They're gonna be gray, but yeah, so we got primer on all the cabinets out here in the main living area. And so basically this weekend is our last weekend up in Pueblo. We are in crunch time, if you wanna call it that, where we have a lot to finish. Mostly a lot of painting and then just random things here and there, just so that we can get it moved to get it down to Denver, and we're gonna start moving into it this week. There's still some little renovations we're gonna have to do probably after moving in, and that's fine. Do you want some gold bar?
Yes. I would also like the toothbrush, please.
Do you want some ibuprofen?
What? What's up, Prophet?
Or Axe?
Apollo.
2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner?
Mm.
Or can I interest you in a dirty toothbrush?
I wanted that.
That's mine, actually.
Put it in your mouth. How much money to put that toothbrush in your mouth?
Free. I'll pay you to let me put it in my mouth.
Okay, I want $50. Put it in your mouth.
Find a dirty toothbrush?
Yeah, we found a bunch of dirty stuff. Look.
I'll do it, but you gotta film me.
No, don't do it. I'm not kissing you for the rest of the day.
Adam, don't do it.
I don't know. Touch it. You won't shut your mouth.
Like, why did you put that in your mouth?
You're Chris to do that again.
What, wash it down with a jar of Staples?
Yes, but actually say it.
Here, wash it down with a jar of Staples.
Hold it there. Nice.
That was so stupid. Why'd you make me do that?
Good. Finally some peace and quiet.
Good as fine.
Okay. Okay. I'm okay.
I've never done this before in my life.
Add it to the list. Oh man, did you mean to do that?
What?
I'm just kidding.
You're just messing with me?
Yeah.
You actually kind of scared me.
Well, it does stink down
I
here.
told you. It's not fun.
Last day of renovating. We're gonna have some breakfast.
Getting ready for breakfast.
You want some chicken broth for breakfast?
No, I'm just gonna have some juice.
Just juice? Okay. At least you're gonna get something.
Yeah.
Why can you only have just juice?
I have to get a colonoscopy and a endoscopy
Dun,
tomorrow
dun, dun.
morning. I'm not allowed to eat today. And Grandma always makes really amazing breakfasts.
Dun, dun, dun.
A bowl of cheese, really. I've been having a lot of stomach issues the last few months that I won't go into the gory details about, but my doctors decided that they wanted to do this to rule some stuff out, so.
Alright, fetal position, welcome.
At least I get to wear a shirt.
There's always that. And then James is here. Because he wants to help us. Well, I'm not sure he wants to, but he's going to help us
Forced against my will.
put everything back together today.
It's the only way I can see my pups.
He's got the whole Jesus thing going on, even more so than I do.
Yeah, let me tell you.
Except not a whole lot of Jesus up there.
Listen, okay? For all we know, it was over-exaggerated.
Jesus could have had a cul-de-sac.
Pretty much everything done. This was D-Day for us. The RV's ready to take back up to Denver here. We got the flooring in, we got the dinette put back in, the recliners back in, the bed's back in. It's a livable RV again. We're ready to go. It's actually looking pretty good, and I'm pretty excited to start living in it come this week.
Is this ridiculous? Oh my gosh. It's Baloo! It's Baloo! Bless you. Oh my gosh. Yeah? Tell us how you feel about the move. Yeah? Our apartment looks like a tornado hit it. Hurricane Rhonda.
Yeah, this one's definitely
I'll move it.
for burly men to carry.
I don't even know any men named Burley.
They're gonna hate that box.
Something tells me they're gonna hate a lot of boxes, especially ones that Krista packed.
Kitchen is always the
What do
heavy.
you mean? I only have like
Heavy.
2 boxes heavy. The rest are
Yeah, they're only like 1,000 pounds a piece. What are we doing tomorrow, Krista?
moving out.
Can you like say that? Not like,
Moving out.
oh my god.
Moving out.
I'm saying like
Billy Joel says.
restate.
We're moving out tomorrow.
Okay, now just say it like.
We're
not a-
moving out tomorrow.
Nice.
We're moving out.
Show us your sister.
Is this going?
Hard at work in the bedroom. Oh, Delilah Worm. Are you hard at work in here? What are you doing, Delilah? Delilah? What are you doing? Are you ready? No? You're staying right there? Okay. You can stay right there. Oh my! Oh my, Lala! Lala! What? This place is in apocalyptic conditions right now.
I want to look at it.
From the ashes will come our new RV life.
What are you doing, Patty?
Try to make me get no work done tonight.
What? You just drinking ginger ale?
No, you made that very strong whiskey.
I don't think that's true.
And not that I'm opposed to it, but I kind of need to be productive.
We're pretty much done.
No, we're not. We're getting close.
I'm sorry, what? Food mouth?
We're getting close.
Oh yeah, that was better.
We're getting close. So.
Don't stand on the desk. Get off the desk. You little I'll cut that foot off of you.
I'm standing on the desk.
I'm not gonna be standing at all.
Oh, he's gonna break my leg.
This is a lot of stuff. This is RV. And that pile's storage. I think we failed at the whole downsizing thing.
I don't think so. I mean, this is storage too, like the couch and all the stuff behind you is storage.
The couch. The love seat that the love is standing on. That the love is gonna eat on.
The desk is going away. The table is going into storage. Our bed, huge, is going into storage. You know what? Most of the stuff is like food and clothes. Right?
Here's our pile of food and clothes.
Got a lot of food and clothes.
Food and clothes, the whole thing.
No, I mean, but like, if you think about it, a lot of stuff in here is like stuff to make more food. You realize how much your life revolves around food? Because our RV
How much
pile,
your life revolves around food.
yeah, I mean, our RV pile was not that big until we did the kitchen. And like, literally every other room was like mostly going to storage. And then we got to the kitchen and it's like, we need this, we need that, we need chips, we need spices. Spicy. Honey, this is our last night in our first place together.
I know. Now we're gonna
We'll
move
live
into
in
another
our
place.
first house.
I wouldn't call it that.
It is, it's just on wheels.
Okay.
I just flipped it upside
So
down.
my mom and Erin came over to clean. Erin's really just been yelling and
I'm not.
yes.
Look, I made happen. Yeah. She's like, oh, I'll do it later. And I'm like, now is later. Look, the cleared out because of me. You're welcome. Stop
Because
getting
of you.
I mean, I made it out. Stop!
Oh, that's probably Adam.
Is this videotaping?
Yeah. Hello?
Hey,
Hey,
sorry that took so long. I kind of got a commandeered.
what happened?
Why not?
Basically, I guess he thought that this was going to be a storage only thing.
Do we need to find a new place to live?
Are you talking to me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Fun, okay.
Here's Delilah finding out she is homeless.
Erin.
That sucks.
The joys of living in an RV.
Wow. You're already evicted. You haven't even moved in yet.
Did you get that on camera?
Yeah. I don't know how to stop
What up?
recording. Blue, there's your new home, a garbage can.
Get in
That really sucks, man.
I guess we have to find a new place, but that's kind of just the nature of this lifestyle.
Did you like this place?
Yeah, it was our first place together. I loved this place.
What'd you love about it?
You. Dun dun dun.
Don't say stuff like that. You make me gushy.
You make you gushy.
All of a sudden, like literally, they were just going crazy, and now they're just done. They're like, "Oh, are we sleeping where the bed was?"
Blue's eyes are straight up closed.
I think I'm more just like setting into the idea that we don't live here anymore. It's weird now that it's empty. It already just doesn't feel like home anymore. I don't know. This is like the beginning of this place becoming a memory. That's weird.
Mm-hmm.
But that's just how life goes. I mean, we're gonna make a lot more memories in the RV. All of our stuff's out of here and we're just sitting here, and honestly, the only important things are in this room. Yeah.
Not much else.
The dog's in the
The
vacuum.
vacuum's pretty important.
The vacuum.
That tub of cleaning supplies.
That's not important. That's why it's just.
Oh, it's outside of the room.
It's just outside the room, showing how unimportant it is. We were just boyfriend and girlfriend when we moved in here, and we didn't have any dogs.
Now we're married. We got engaged and married in this place, and
Got 2 dogs.
got 2 dogs. Well, 1.5. Sorry, boy.
Are you ready? Fun, Balloon! Run, my fun!
Here they come.
And then Delilah ruined it.
Say goodbye to the apartment.
Goodbye to the apartment.
Be more enthusiastic. What's wrong with you?
Goodbye to the apartment.
This is why we're not getting our deposit back. Cover the burn hole with this cactus so that when you get here, they're like, what's this cactus? What the f?
Oh, you're so funny. Alright.
Okay, hey, restart. I got you in focus now. Ready? Go.
Got everything out of the apartment. Family came up to help us get everything, and the dogs are ready to go too. We're gonna go get some lunch and yeah. Goodbye apartment. I'm not gonna say anything.
Goodbye. I was pulling it.
It's been a crazy month. We literally moved the RV up here to Denver a month ago. And then right after we brought our moving boxes to the lot that we're on, the owner of the lot decided to have a heart-to-heart with me and tell me that he was getting cold feet about the whole housing us here. But now we have a new property that we can go park on, and we are going to do that today. We're moving the RV. We got everything all squared away. It's de-winterized and ready to live in, and yeah,
Almost May.
it's the beginning of our new home.
If you've watched this far, thank you. I could tell you that this journey has been amazing, and while that is true, it doesn't fully capture how difficult it has also been. Since living in the RV, we have had so many trials and tribulations that I hope you will continue to watch us go through. The renovation was just one drop in an ocean of new experiences we've had to get through together. While this is a dream we have truly wanted and enjoyed, there are many steps of this process that have left us wondering, what are we really doing? Full-time RV living is fun, but it is not a vacation. We have worked hard for the life we have achieved, but we have also had so much help along the way to make it happen. Our friends and family prove to us every day that we must be doing something right in life to be blessed with such amazing and supportive people. Even though much of this journey only involves us four, we know our family is much larger than that, and we are never truly alone. If you have enjoyed watching, please help spread our story so that we can continue to share it with the world and grow our family even more. Thank you.
Say good night.
Good night.
Officially full timers.
Yep.
Officially full timers.
Turn the camera off. Nevada State Line. Welcome to Nevada.
Baloo, can you say Vegas? Lila, Vegas.
For those of you who didn't know that this existed, welcome to the Circus RV Park.